Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Michael with Michael's Semi-Daily Updates. I just want to jump on here and talk a little bit about the stock market today and a couple of stocks that I played. Today was a good day. We've been on a really nice rally for quite a while now, ever since, since August. Before then, it's been going for quite a while. So I figured with today, with Powell coming out, and I figured we had a good chance in the interest rates being lowered, and I thought the market would fly, already being strong and then having good news on top of it. I thought the market would go up. I was absolutely wrong. It was bad, guys. It was so bad. If you were in the market today, I'm sure you know about it. I mean, we dropped like flies. Every stock in the market just dropped. It just kept getting, just ding, 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 on down 11%, this stock down 5%, this stock down 18%. So luckily I had a put on NVIDIA. Luckily I had some quantum stocks, a couple of quantum stocks that didn't really make a difference. They lowered down for a while, but they came back up. But there was a couple things I wanted to show you guys here. So first off, Jerome Powell, they cut the interest rates, but he did say that instead of 4 cuts, there may possibly be 2 next year. So I think the market overreacted to that. He also didn't sound really strong as far as some of the things he said, as far as like the unemployment. He thought the unemployment rate may stay the same or increase. And then he also said that things like near misses and just words that, investors don't like to hear. So what happens is what normally happens if you do the history, you go back and look, the market's overreacting. And this is the thing, with it being close to Christmas and then, a couple days, it takes usually a couple days to rally, and then that will be a Friday, so we have a couple things working on us. But my opinion, and my opinion only, just a regular guy who, was in the market today, and in a matter of an hour, from 2:30 to 3:30, I was up $1,200, and then all of a sudden I was down $800. So you do the math. That's I'm up 12, and then I end up down 8. That's lost $2,000. Now luckily the market started recovering, because that's, in my opinion, that's what it's going to do. People just get scared. These people take their money out anytime they hear certain words, key phrases, things like that. It's nuts. And they're not saying there's manipulation in the market, but probably a little manipulation in the market, because then what happens is that stock drops like crazy. Like Tesla today dropped from, it was up to 280 something, going towards 500, and it drops all the way down to 420 something. It was insane. It was a crazy day. But this is what I want to show you. Just a couple things. I'm going to flip my camera around here, because I do not have fancy equipment. So hopefully you guys can pick this up. But this first one I'm going to show you is Palantir stock. And it's probably going to be backwards, so kind of look at it. But as you can see, this is when it started falling, right around here. And then, right about the $74, and then it sank all the way down, guys, to $70, $70 for Palantir stock. Well, then once the market started getting some brains back, it's not as bad as it sounds, but, it's just bad timing. But then you see it slowly come up. It comes all the way back up here for a high of 73.42 in the after hours, and then, it's steady staying, and right now it looks like it's about 72.51 right now. So Palantir is recovering, and in my projections here, guys, it's once it's either going to, when it hits the 72.50 mark, it's either going to reject that and fall to, it would have to be around, I would say, if it rejects 72.50, it's going to fall down between the 71.50 range, somewhere around there, and then it's going to start going up from that point. But another one that I have a put on, that I'm going to sell the put tomorrow, I just happened to get lucky to have a put on it, is NVIDIA. NVIDIA stock is just going, it was having a great, fantastic day, and then that, the news with Jerome Powell, killed the stock. But here you are at the high of the day at 136.58, pretty much almost exactly about 130. It's about 130. Then here comes Jerome Powell, and it's like he hopped on the roller coaster up here and then just rode it all the way down, But, according to the same thing, here's the low of the day at $126, and then here's the high at 136. So a $10 spread between the high and the low. But, once again, form your, if you can get on TradingView for free in these charts, and you can create your own, due diligence and create lines like this that can kind of give you a pattern, whether it hits the bottom and pops, or when it should pop, or if it's going up and it kind of starts breaking this resistance right here at 130. and then, you know, it goes up, and then from that point it's just been kind of slowly going back up. So I think it's right now it's at $131.50, and I think it is going to have a good day tomorrow into Friday. I think tomorrow is going to be a good day. Another one I don't have pulled up here, but it's Tesla, because Tesla can't be shorted tomorrow. So same thing, you know, right now it closed the day at, let's see what it closed the day at, 440, and we are now at 442 in after hours. So I think there's going to be some good things with Tesla tomorrow too. That's just my opinion, but that's about it, guys. Powell, man, I'm telling you, if he's in the stock, he can just control the market, you know. So he comes out, just says some things that aren't that great, aren't that negative, but aren't that great. People hear certain things and they just scared to take their money out. So this is my opinion. That's why the market fell today. I think we will recover by Friday, if not Friday, Monday. I am going to say today is December 18th, and I do think Palantir stock is going to hit $80 before the end of this month. Maybe after this fall, it's going to be tough to get to 90. I said 90, but I still think it's going to get back up there and hit 80 by the end of December. So, you know, that would be still, you know, $7.50 more per share in the money. So just something to think about. That's about it, guys. Like and comment, subscribe to the channel. It definitely helps me. And then leave some comments below. Let me know what you think about if you was in the market today, if Powell affected your wallet like he did mine. We're starting to recover, like I said. You know, as long as you don't sell, you don't lose. But puts and calls, boy, they can really be painful sometimes. But I appreciate all the support. Thanks. Take care, guys. I think it's going to be a good day tomorrow. I think it's going to be a good green day tomorrow. That's just my opinion. I mean, it dropped so far today that I don't see how it could fall anymore, but we will see, you know, knock on some major wood here, so, because we need a good day, and I think we're going to get it. But like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll get back to you. Thanks for your support, and take care, and good luck tomorrow, guys.